Welcome to Health and Wellness for You and Your. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks, What's for Dinner. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chili using my secret ingredient, Chef's Cupboard 3 Bean Chili Soup Mix. Our other ingredients will include diced tomatoes, tomato paste, chili beans, rice, shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream to top it all off. And we're also going to be making cornbread. So let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is preset our oven to 400 degrees so we can be prepared to bake our cornbread. Next, we're going to add almond milk to our small box of corn muffin mix. Some small muffin mix boxed ingredients calls for chicken eggs and cow milk, but I've learned through experimentation over the years, all you need is almond milk and you're good to go, especially if you're lactose intolerant. And just like some of my other video educational tutorials, I'm going to be speeding up the video a little bit in certain parts. It's time to add some olive oil to our non-stick muffin pan. Let's add our muffin mix batter. It's time to put our muffin pan in our 400 degree preheated oven and set our timer for 15 minutes. Our chili ingredient instructions calls for bringing 7 cups of water to a boil, but since we have many other ingredients that also has liquid, I'm only going to add 6 cups. It's time to remove our delicious cornbread muffins from the oven. Now we're going to whisk in our 3 bean chili mix. Have you ever tasted and or made your own meatless chili? And if you have, do you make it similar to the way we're making it today, or do you make it a little bit different? Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know. We're going to add our tomato paste. We're going to stir around our tomato paste in our boiling hot pan to make sure it completely dissolves. It's time to add our extra brown rice. And next, we're adding our extra chili beans. Now is the perfect time to add our diced tomatoes. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients added, from time to time we're going to whisk and stir from the rest of our cooking duration. And as you can see, as time goes on, our chili will get thicker and thicker as it boils, and as the water boils off, you'll see how thick and rich it is. What and how are some of the ways you like to eat your chili? Do you like to eat it on a plate, in a bowl, in a cup? Do you like to have crackers with your chili or cornbread? Do you like to put chili on your hot dog? Do you like to add cheese on top of your chili? Leave me a comment and let me know. Do you remember good times when you and your family, your friends sit around the kitchen or dining room table or in the family room eating chili, having good conversation and laughing? I know I sure do. And I just love chili on a cold winter's day. Do you like your chili mild, medium, or extra, extra spicy? I most definitely love my chili mild. Let's go ahead and add some extra chili powder. And we'll go ahead and whisk the chili powder in until it gets evenly dispersed throughout the chili. Here are a few of my creative meatless chili suggestions. It's time for Trey's creative chili suggestions. The first is chili stuffed bell peppers. Hollow out colorful bell peppers and fill them with a savory meatless chili mixture. Top with cheese and bake until bubbly. Chili stuffed baked potatoes. Bake large rusted potatoes until tender. Then slice open and fill with hearty meatless chili. Add toppings like sour cream, green onions, and shredded cheese. Chili mac and cheese. Combine your favorite macaroni and cheese recipe with the meatless chili for a comforting and indulgent dish. Top with breadcrumbs for a crunchy finish. Chili quesadillas. Spread meatless chili between two tortillas along with cheese and any other desired fillings. Cook in a skillet until crispy and golden brown, then slice into wedges and serve with salsa and sour cream. Chili stuffed avocados. Half avocados and remove the pits. Then fill the centers with meatless chili. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream and chopped cilantro. Chili pizza. Spread a layer of meatless chili over a pizza crust and top with shredded cheese, sliced jalapenos, and diced onions. Bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Then garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Chili stuffed mushrooms. Remove the stems from large mushrooms and fill the caps with meatless chili. Top with breadcrumbs and grated cheese, then bake until the mushrooms are tender and the topping is crispy. Chili stuffed sweet potatoes. Bake sweet potatoes until tender, then slice open and fill with meatless chili. Top with avocado slices, diced tomatoes, and a squeeze of lime juice. And finally, my favorite, chili and tortilla chips. Sprinkle with meatless chili on top of tortilla chips and top with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, sliced olives, jalapenos, and grated cheese and sour cream. Serve with salsa and guacamole on the side. All right, let's check and see how our meatless chili is doing. As you can see, the more the meatless chili cooked down, it got a lot thicker, and you can see all of our delicious ingredients. It kind of have a consistency of chili with meat in it, but it's meatless, so it's healthier for us. Now that our chili is all done cooking, it's time to put our chili in our bowl and our cornbread and prepare our drink and taste our delicious meal to see how it tastes. And there you have it, an easy and simple way to make meatless chili and cornbread. Let's taste it and see how it tastes. Now that is so good, delicious, and flavorful, especially when it's topped off with shredded cheddar cheese and sour cream, and we also have our cornbread. Thank you once again for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit your notifications so you can get my future videos directly to your cell phone and or computer. Make sure you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health.